I don't want. Okay, this is the program script we are using to query in Perl to get the query string, to process the query string. As we have already earlier discussion, environment variable will contain the method. Okay, what type of method it is, a get or post. Okay, if it is a get get method, then only we are getting the query string. So environment method only we are variable will use to get the query string. Okay, so once we get this one, all the query string we will get. Okay, what query string we are getting, we are here, right? Yet the query string after this question mark we will get. Okay, the query string once we get, we need to split that into this format. Okay, what the key value, this is the key value, first name is the key value, the name of the attribute, and next is the value, right? So first we'll split the query string using the ampersand. If we split this using the query string, then we will get an array of all the values, all these three values we will get. Okay, then each and every value we will go for a for each loop. This structure we have already discussed, and in this one, because we want to get this key and this value, we have to separate each and every element using the symbol, right? For this for loop we will get each pair. For this pair we'll split using the is equal to, so two values we will get, one is name and another is Bharat. Once we get the name, the key, and the Bharat as a value, right? Or Bharat or Ashwini or Harshita, whatever you can consider. Okay, that we make in a hash, one hash variable that we have created here, hash as a form. In this one, name will go in a key value, key position, and value we are assigning for that key. Okay, then we are creating some first name, last name, password like variables, and in the hash variable we are getting the first name, last name, and password. Okay, this is the print. We know the Perl will communicate to client using the print only, so we are printing content type, HTML, and everything. In this one statement we have added hello first name and last name, what name we what name we have given, right? It will be dynamic only. If it is what name will pass, that name it will come. You have successfully registered, and password, your password, this password I have added, I will tell you. Okay, let's check out this one first. Okay, here uh, here Harshita Kumari, I have given the name in two text box. You can check out here the query string contain this one. What is the drawback of query string is that one, the user can edit this one. Okay, because I am a developer, I know that one. Okay, I can add any values like ABCD, right? Okay, I can edit here itself Harshita, instead of Harshita I can make Harita, right? Harita, right? Harita also I can make, because this is not secure. The get option is not secure. You have to go with post option. Okay. Okay, you can check out. We are extracting that one, and password also we are extracting. If there is no password also, it won't affect, right? I hope all of you have got idea about this, how we can process the query string, what is query string, it is there, what is the actual condition on query string. Okay, what is the method. Okay, in this one the method is very important, what type of method you are calling. Okay, example here, details, yeah, here only, right? If you put a post method, how it will work, if you make a get method, how it will work. Okay, remember those things. Okay, so further in Perl, okay, PM module, and some example we will see for cookies and everything. So, and one more for database, how we can communicate with database in Perl, we'll check out. Okay, in next session. Thank you all of you plus for joining this session. Thank you all. If you have any query, please raise your hand.